take it easy because now we're gonna take easy a little bit.
I thought Papi was throwing, like, there's like crickets.
Or that leather, you get scared of, you see?
Junior, be careful, papi. We out here feeding the duckies.
Come on.
Ariana, with your bow? Let me see, baby. Avance para acá. They're probably all, like I said, they're probably full.
I don't know, they're coming, but they see a lot of little monkeys.
Oh, they're coming already.
Yeah.
Oh, they are coming already.
Quick.
Oh, dang, guys. They're here. Guys, be careful. Oh, look at how beautiful.
Look at them. Shit.
Look, they're coming.
I know, I want to pick up. I think they need to wait. Look at them.
Give them like little pieces a ellos.
You have to throw little pieces, papi.
There's a lot
That's
of
all you're
them.
getting. Look at that big ass piece you just threw. That's all you're getting. Those are little ones over there, look.
Look at them. They're already coming.
Give them little.
There's a lot of them coming.
Yep, there's still a lot more.
We had to bring 3 bags. We had to bring 3 bags in.
Like a whole,
A whole bag.
yeah.
We have them here chilling for a while. Oh, no, just look. There's one more. Look, they're coming. Look, another one's coming.
I don't think,
They didn't give them the food. Ducky!
You know, I know big pieces. Little pieces.
we're leaving. You guys
Oh, look at that
are cheap.
Look at that one over there.
Yeah, that one's alone, chilling.
Keep swimming.
Look, they're coming. Those gray ones are coming. You see, like, these are colorful ones. These, the ones you guys are feeding right now. The other ones are just gray.
Look how they swim.
Do the colorful ones roll together? Look, that one's shaking his head. His head, his tail.
Next time we're gonna bring you guys a big bag.
Look at that black one.
Right here.
Cool.
The duckies. Yeah, it's swim. We're now. Look at
No, there's some over there. There's another one that showed up.
Look at the food.
Yeah, he don't show up over here.
It's swimming. Look at that one. Imagine.
Oh, baby, move.
Be careful, guys. I don't want you guys to go right there.
Get over here. Can you feed the duck?
And now there would have been big old signs. Not to. Huh? What, puppy?
Look
The little ones are coming.
That's it? I think your dad's the one that had fun feeding the ducks.
Well, there's only 3 pairs.
Well, you should have apartado para cada uno.
The big ones. They would have
Well, you should have been like, give them little pieces.
Did, but they would have been gone. Look, they're leaving.
You've never fed ducks, baby?
No,
Babe.
I didn't think
No? So I figured. I figured, so.
I never fed ducks before. Look,
So
they're
your
all
dad-
here now.
So your
Look,
dad
there's
is
4 more coming.
a first timer feeding ducks.
Yes, baby. So sorry.
So he got carried away.
Let's feed him a spaghetti. Feed him a spaghetti. Look how many ducks you got here, though.
A
Count
lot. But they're gonna leave right now. They're gonna be like, there's no more.
Hey guys, welcome to the Cazares family channel. Today we're out feeding the fishies, the ducks, but they left because we already give all the bread to them. So now we're gonna go walk. Subscribe, share, like the video, give us a big thumbs up.
Look at this dog.
Where? Guys, wait. Where is it? Oh, that's nice. I want a dog.
Look at that big ass dog.
I want to have a dog. Come on, guys.
He's gonna come and attack you guys.
No, we're back.
Chris.
It's swimming.
Here, Mama.
Oh, that's nice.
No more. Okay, don't chase it now. He don't like the bread. He's like, puro pinche pan.
You got a good one, though.
Woo! Mom, can I get some?
We're going to go to the...
Okay, Max. Oh, I want her. It's going over there. Hi, Peacokz.
So we're over here walking to go and feed the peacocks. Where did it go? Oh, it's over there. What? Hey! Oh. The heck? Someone try to hang themselves?
Okay.
Guys, hey!
Don't run. This way.
There's traffic right here with the peacocks, poor peacocks. They're getting invaded of human beings. You guys remember, you guys have to be quiet. Quiet.
Very quiet. Slow through there.
Join out.
Throw it.
No, over the fence.
That's a big ass peacock.
That one is bigger than the other one. Oh, look, he heard it. He heard it. Hi, baby, try to. There's a lot of them over here.
There's more over there.
Look, he found it.
You want to eat it?
No.
There's a
Oh, look, she got it. It got it.
What are you eating?
He didn't like it.
Lick it.
Fail to him.
He said,
Okay, this is like that. The other one, oh, there's more over there.
yeah, let's walk over here.
I love it.
Look, he opened his feathers, look.
Where?
The one over in the back, look.
Oh, because he's seen already a mate, remember?
Yeah.
Look.
But his face is the wrong way. Look at that shit.
That opened its feathers.
He's quiet. No, they don't like it. They don't like it. They don't like it. Look. Look, that one's limping.
Which one? Like,
He's limping like this.
What?
Look, it's gonna turn around, guys. Oh, you see, look, there's a male.
Which one?
It's doing the guy the one that's in front of him. It's trying to attract them.
Look at that one.
Oh, my baby's right there.
Look how big this is.
Janice, I don't think they like bread.
They don't like it, Papa. I'm gonna go with the ducks. Just chill. Be quiet. Now you're gonna scare them.
He does like it. He's gonna turn around.
Look at him.
That's pretty.
Look. Look at this. You got it for me?
I already put the link down.